This is a video for the iCrimp 1.5 3/4 inch combo plex pipe crimping tool. It works for copper with rings with the gauges that meet the ASTM 1807 standard. It's a good crimping tool, $41.97. You can order it and get it pretty quickly. Just to give you an idea, I can roll over this. You can get an idea of the model number and the applications. Weighs about 2.5 pounds. Really very useful for crimping copper rings and anything else that meets that gauge. So if you need something that can crimp rings, this would be a great thing for you. It doesn't do any damage to the rings to avoid leaking, and it's lightweight and has a short handle to improve performance in narrow spaces. It's got an innovative design and really an overall excellent crimping tool, so you should go ahead and consider ordering it. It's got a number of very high ratings on Amazon. So go ahead and get yourself this crimping tool.